morning, beautiful. I'm recording you because I think you're amazing.
Morning.
Good morning. This is my favourite DM.
Oh, you okay?
I'm good, thank you. Why don't I get the first bus?
Why
I don't get the first bus on the 464 raw? Like last couple of days, when I've done this duty, I've got the second bus in the raw. I have to move the first bus out of the way.
It's sometimes like on a stop sheet.
Yeah, no, I was just wondering. I just seem to have to keep moving buses to get out. I don't mind shunting.
It's because shunting those are separate. They're just their own department. They don't know which bus. They just park as they come.
Oh yeah, I understand that, but I'm saying like...
engineers will want them in
a certain order.
When they come in so they can start work on it early.
Makes sense then. I just like the last couple of days I've had to move buses out of the way. Last week, I had to move 6 buses to get to my bus.
Yeah, so sometime, you know...
Choppy was like, are you okay with it? And I was like, mate, I'll have to be, won't I? it was in all the scrap pile. I had 464 right down there, and I was like, do you not mind moving them? I was like, I'll do it.
You know, when some of the lads on their favourite bus, like you sometimes ask, and I'm like, I know I like you, but I don't want to give you...
No, I understand that. I understand. My favourite bus is you always give me on a Saturday anyway.
Yeah, I try.
A Volvo.
I try and keep you on them.
I just don't like using Blackburn buses because the seat hurts my back.
Yeah, you did say that.
After like 5 hours of sitting on it, your back's sore because it just doesn't move as well. 281.
Yes.
I know. I thought I got a letter then.
So, letter.
I'll get my card for you. It's facing me.
What is it?
It's my camera. I use for
YouTube. Kind of GoPro thing.
It's a DJI Osmo. I just if you want a camera.
Does it follow you?
Yeah, look. It's tracking me. Oh, cool. Honestly, it is a fantastic little camera.
It's clever.
It is. I saw it online when it came out, and I was like,
thinking how they're like, you know, when I watch some of your YouTube thing, I'm thinking how this camera is just like.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's an awesome little camera, and I've used it to like create different little things with it.
Like you set up your face thing.
You just literally. Good morning. It's the 23rd of July, and we're back at Rosendale Transport in Intake. It's been a while since I've made one of these. I was fearing that you guys were getting a bit sick of seeing me at work and stuff. So I kind of put a pause to the series and found other bits and bobs for you to see, which are still around. There's a Preston bus station review coming up. And then we're going to Chorley to one Chorley because I believe LCC no longer run Chorley. First bus of the morning, 281. Oh, 282's off the road. 286. What's been going on? 283. 281. So I was complaining this morning to Mo about not being the first bus in the pack for ages. I'm like, I never get the first bus anymore. I'm always like 2 buses down. You'll probably see I recorded a little bit of footage. Mo was happy for me to do it. What's been going on? So yeah, basically I've been here. I've just not really. I don't know. Like I said, I feel like you guys have just seen enough of my face and me talking about buses and a day in the life of a bus driver. But at the same time, they seem to do really well. So if you're happy with it, let me know in the comments. If you don't like them, if you're a new subscriber and you think it's just the same old tosh, I understand.
System okay.
She's like me this morning, she doesn't want to start. I get it, I do get it. You know, I'm making these videos just to like show the day in the life of a bus driver and like what we get up to and how, you know, how the industry might be different from what people perceive that we do. You know, bus drivers are just sit on their ass and tell them when they want to. We do sit on our ass. We do follow regimental order. Like there is a tracking thing. There's 2 in here, so I have to take one off. But there's a lot of things we do, like obviously the defect checks in the morning, saloon. What was the saloon issue? Vent loose. What? So obviously we perform a defect check in the morning. We do a walk around, which I'm going to start now. We check the vehicle's safe to drive, making sure that everything's in a good and well order. So normally I don't bring you on this part because obviously I need two hands, but I reckon I can get away with it this morning. Obviously we're checking the windshield for no chips, no dents, no cracks. Number plates on, headlights are coming on. Our windscreen wipers are working and attached. Mirrors, check that they're stable, attached. Fuel is locked and not about to fall out. That is a biggie. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to do this and I'll get back to you in a second about what's been going on. So what's been going on? Well, been making videos about obviously what's best in Lancashire. Obviously no bells are working. What's best in Lancashire, hidden secrets of Lancashire. Trying to show more different sides of transport. Trying to find more reasons for you guys to watch. Do stuff like that. Again, I've been busy with like Sebastian recording other things, other episodes, other sort of things that I think you guys might like. I don't know if the bells have stopped working. Just turn this warning alarm off in the cab. What you might like, what you might enjoy. And I don't know what it is that makes me successful on YouTube, what makes it, what you guys watch, what you want to see more from me. So, yeah, I kind of, I'm trying new things, if that makes sense. So, a bit of a weird one this morning. We started with 281, and they replaced it for us because it had some panel damage. Like it had been involved in an accident, or involved in something, I don't know. So we've swapped out to 1866. Just finished now the run. So we were on board one this morning. I didn't get time to like go through what was going on because I had to swap vehicles and it takes a minute to do that. So yeah, we were on board one. So I'll show you what the board looks like because it's what you call it. It's half turn. So the boards change a little bit. So we went dead from Intact to Rochdale, and then off to Accrington from Rochdale. So we were back inbound. That's what the I stands for. We're inbound, and we have a diversion today. So the diversion, we're given a diversion sheet. So this is the diversion sheet, and on there it gives us where we're going to be taking the diversion. Now this doesn't affect us coming back in. Affect us on our next trip because going into Rochdale we're gonna have to divert before we get to Rochdale. Overall, good morning. We're a little bit late. I think because I arrived at the station pretty much bang on time. Just didn't get into the groove of things. Just took my time. Regarding these types of videos, I don't know what you guys want. If this is something you're interested in and enjoy them, let us know down below. For myself, it's just been, I'm trying to understand what content works best for YouTube. Obviously, you know, I've been posting a few more shorts because they seem to do really well with the algorithm. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with it and how to best give you what you guys want to watch and see. I enjoy making the driver day videos. It's like this morning, a little tired from what I've had to deal with, but nothing massive. Everything's calm and collected. that's the best way to go about it. So yeah, just want to know more. We are working on the new series, Best in Lancashire or Hidden Gems of Lancashire. Haven't decided on a title yet. Gonna get round to doing it. It's probably gonna be more streams. I put a tweet out this morning and a community note out this morning saying about if you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm gonna try and do it again tonight if I'm not too tired. It all depends on how tired I am. A big part of this job is getting up at 3 in the morning, 2 days a week, and then like my Friday shift is an afternoon shift, but I'm still up at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning because I'm in that sort of pattern. So I do get tired. Sundays are a difficult day because you're on the bus a long time and there's only a short duty break. So yeah, I do get tired and I don't always have the energy to record episodes at the moment. So, but let me know how you guys feel about it. I'm going to go and take my break now, refill some coffee, and I'll talk to you on the next one when we get on the road. Alright, see you in a sec. Nice 4 minutes. 2 minutes 40 bake-up. It's not too bad today. Nice day. Can't complain. 289 operating as great as usual. Should be fun. Almost to Rochdale. Almost home time. And that's it. The day's done. Just travel passenger on a 6A back to Blackburn depot. Bit of a weird one, really. Diversion wasn't on this morning, then it was on. It's a bit weird coming up a street where there's only you guys coming up and nothing else is coming down. Yeah. 289 was problematic as usual, but just one of those, just got to keep going and keep continuing. So yeah. Overall, not a bad day. Not a bad day. About 40 quid, 50 quid I think it was in take-ins. Go and cash them in now. And warm, get some lunch. And yeah, do it all again on Friday. A few days off now. Makes a huge difference having a couple of days off. In middle of the week. But yeah. We shall see what the week brings this week. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I know there's not a lot of talking and stuff like that, because obviously middle part of the day it's a bit busy and take over and it's very busy. So I don't get to show much on these ones. But hopefully it's a little bit longer than normal. I'll catch you on the flip side.